Ebusuya, the secret behind the entire Peter Amewu Eulusu ni seat no Hohoe constituency in the voter region no Ebusuya has been exposed. Secret no ababonting. Na obebuta say secret no enina anything. Ebusuya obegye de say Honorable Peter Amewu 2024 during campaign time no campaign etia ononkasa ne flag bearer na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yes, we there ononkasa ne go fa ase e na aba abonten abayi ni wo fato ose ne wo fa ene Honorable Peter Amewu na waka eniama ni wo fa Honorable Peter Amewu ye ya enam so e ma ononkasa lusu seat no na eniama na okọ campaign grounds oka kire amanfo se omonto abama ono Honorable Peter Amewu na omonto entia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no monto ma Excellency John Dramani Mahama we di obi say sa Appointee ni free nso aso be ka kire wo say odanchem ewua sebi mpieduasa yendi na chinie enu nti me ma wa kotie afri eye odanchem na nkasa enum anase Appointee ni nenum yes Appointee na be ka kire wo na watie nsem a ekoso ewo Hohoe constituency nam so ema Hohoe seat no MPP elusu ye na nkanya de MPP belusu na mom no eye Honorable Peter Amewu ni greediness ene ni nyaatwom ena ende amana be wie bebi aye we
NDC on the silver platter.
This guys pa. And they were the ones that even enjoyed a friend is saying Nana Akosua
that man was an minister for 8 years. Some of us, he's an uncle. We didn't get kobo from him. If he says I'm lying, he calls me yellow water because of my color. If he says I'm lying, he should. This is yellow water speaking.
Hey, yellow water, you are on fire today.
This man sabotaged the campaign because he said that what? He doesn't believe in Dr. Bawumia, but Nanado gave you the opportunity. He will go and he knocked most of the staff.
I'm saying that
they are supposed to give to villages. That when they go for this training that they do, and the people go and learn liquid soap making. When they bring the things, he will lock it down. He was only developing his house, building hotel, building supermarkets in the Volta region. He didn't develop the constituency. The only one Nanado did was the only development that happened, and the university Nanado built. When we got to COVID, do you know what he did? He shared nose mask. A whole minister of a region shared nose mask.
Uncle, no, don't say everything here, please.
He's my uncle. He knows.
Marcus, you're tearing crew.
You see, Marcus,
we are campaigning and somebody was campaigning against us. Marcus, you can't go and campaign them. And it was
all these
against
people
us.
will turn around and say, Dr. Bawumia needs to be blamed for MPP losing 2024 election.
Unim ne de sheme pa. Charles Bisiu.
Hey. After all these things that you people did, you will find a way and blame Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for our 2024 defeat.
Cape Coast.
After all the things you did.
People insult you. Ninti mo ko school day. Inti mo MPP fi ade mo ye galam say Charles Bisiu onya no others can no be. Na ye defend. Ne ehye kra say sika no onya ni nyina no. Odeko second D. Also de ne year or the backra. All of them lost. No omu you no omu U10. You are coming to blame somebody.
Marcus, we had rights in the voter, the MPP voter region.
A friend is a Aquari. Mustafa one by can say NDC phobia.
That is hold on. On the day of election, before the day of in the night, I got to hold on the 5th of December. On the 6th of December, there were rights were supposed to give to people to come and vote and transportation. Hannah Sedi asked Auntie Hannah, who is Hannah? She is the coordinator of the voter region. Auntie Hannah, I called her with my mom. I had people that were in the northern region that were coming. We needed transportation for them. It was my mom's pocket that I took money to give people to come and vote. She refused that there was no money allocated to them. Only for Divine to come and tell me, say, they had 1 million allocated to the voter region, and the money is with my uncle. So it's my uncle, I should go and call him. They never shared anything to the people in the voter region. They didn't even share the rights. When they finished, they collected the rights and sent it to their house. The right they were supposed to even bring to my mother's house did not come. The money did not come.
Wow.
There was nothing given to people. And the people in the voter region don't vote for the MP.
Marcus, this thing Akosua is saying, it is not peculiar to the voter region, Pearl.
Oh.
It seems that almost all the regions, ABC,
Coffee.
because
Coffee.
me, Akosua, don't respond to him.
I'm not going.
Don't even go there.
Kofi.
To send me the constituency say Ablekuma Central. When him say ABC,
ya bompa ya mona enhunyansa kakra ai. Nyame nkan
Ablekuma Central say ABC wo people that may say as your friend say Ablekuma Central, this incident Akosua kan ABC wo ho. People took transportation say sen komo demand for omutna scan so.
Almost say imagine so omonto.
No, where they did not even disburse the money. They didn't.
Oh.
Sika kodu obese constituency ekeke fibi ho or say my pocket is
immediately we lost the election.
20,000
The money bought the flight ticket in the US. The voter region coordinator immediately lost the election. She bought the she's in the US. If I'm like, she should come and ask him. She's in the US. She has left. Such human beings were holding the voter region. So when they destroyed the office, some of us we don't care. Because those that were there, they are termites that were biting the MPP in the voter region. It was just their personal gain.
MPP lost this election. At the polling station level, the Beyonce me catch or say we tend to oversee point fingers at the top, no. But you see, the down hand no. The grade near what the bottom level no as to change the washer no
different dimension no asinu put your no dangerous
as any dangerous change true no I keep on saying this to people say grade near what I no as to change the washer no and then people we lost the election even though some of the appointees know how they will be say they handle themselves with position and with power no a bit questionable and I say I also contributed but me say the bottom level no the harm at the bottom and at the grassroots no cause you know greater
let me
tell you
one time obi bowie ma de bi ma de do police station na maybe I'm going to report to me. We call about cultural statement. We call the rehabilitate. One of our chairman. What did they show? What's a slot to be about? What I could tell me people could be
See, Ebusuya, naturally say the AC or our constituency. Any of our could see at the Abano. Now, me Busam who say, Dang Panty Enna Obia Oye. Parliamentary candidate no asaye MP na wono obe work etia wo flag bearer. So the regional minister and the former deputy minister of railways who say one of the main minister Amewu Referee and the MP for Hohoe Peter Amewu a year campaign editia omo ankasa omo flag bearer Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia all in the name say or support Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan and unti obey campaign editia Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia when any reason no way any reason now you ask yourself say are you serving or are you supporting a party or a particular person? Because the party no na awesome there. It shouldn't be who lead. It should be the interest of the party. But this is what Honorable Peter Amewu chose to do in the voter region. And today, this same person is going around blaming Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia for our loss. Now, the regional minister, it has been alleged, say, in Niama Yedema of Sekonakwache, Farmer among for constituency in them, one can't check out to go them. Even common ammonia and where them are, one can't check who they could go with them. You see, you people are the reason why today the MPP, and I'm very happy, say, we are in opposition today. I'm very happy because these people are the reason why we are where we are today, and they will learn a very big lesson from this. Next time, no more opportunity now, they will make good use of it. They will make good use of it. Because let me tell you, if Ghana were to be any serious country, you people shouldn't even come closer to the presidency or any parliamentary seat again. Not to talk of some back where campaign will be say we lost because of someone. Whilst you people are the reason why we lost. And this was what happened a year of Hohoe constituency and the voter region. Within the promise, Ghana and Same TV. Like in natural admin, our comment section. You can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, now friends on Twitter, and as X. I want to promise the blogger. Me that's nyame enshira obibia unyanto boase na otie